back to my channel. Today, you guessed it, I got fake eyelashes. So I got these Ardell Remy lashes in the pair 782, and these are different from the ones that I had before, which were 788s, and I lost one of the pairs, so I couldn't do a video with them. So if you guys want to see how I do this eye makeup and this transformation, I guess, then please keep watching. All right, everybody, so I just put my headband on, put on a cute necklace, and then I just realized something. I turned my face, looked at the camera, and realized I'm starting to get a pimple. It's so sad, but we're gonna keep on rolling with it because that's life. Life will give you pimples sometimes. You just gotta wait for them to go away. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Tattoo Studio in Black Brown. This is a brow pomade, and I'm going to be using the angled eyebrow brush that it came with, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Alright, so once I have a line like this, then I just fill in the end and connect it. Okay, so once I fill in the end, then I just start filling in the middle part and make my way towards the front. Alright, so then once I get to the front area, I just like to take the other side of the brush and just buff out the front. I'm going to take my Vasanti 2 eyeshadow brush with my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I'm going to be using my Violet Voss Vibes palette, and it is a rainbow palette with all matte shades in it. And you probably can't see the green because I'm using a green screen. But I'm going to be using this shade closest to the lid right here, and then I'll put orange, this shade called Leg Warmers. I'll put it a little bit above, and then I'll use Neon to put all around for the transition shade. Alright, so once we have this yellow madness going on our eyes right now, I'm going to use the shade called Leg Warmers and put it in the crease and blend it up. Alright, so now I'm going to do the last shade, and I'll be using a different brush, and the shade is called Fanny Pack. So I'm just going to slowly blend it out into the orange. Alright, so now the orange has kind of faded a lot. It's looking a lot more green now. So I'm going to go back in with the orange brush, and I'm just going to add some more orange. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and speed it up, and then we will do some eyeliner. I'm going to be using my Sephora brand black eyeliner, and this is a liquid eyeliner. Look what just happened. It got on my eyelash, and then I kept doing it, and then my eyelash got on my eyelid, and it messed up my makeup. Alright, so this is this eye, all completed, and now I'm going to do the wing on this eye. Okay, so I just did the other eyeliner on this eye, and then I also put on some mascara, so now it is time to put on the eyelashes. So So again, these are the Ardell Remy lashes in 778. That is the pair that they are. And they look like this. They're super full and longer than the ones that I had last time. Alright, so this is the eyelash and it is so beautiful compared to this eye. This eye is just a lot darker and you can just see the makeup a lot better. So now I'm going to put them on this eye and then we'll get started on the face makeup. The foundation I'm going to be using is my Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. It is medium to full and it is in the color Ivory. Then I'm going to put on a little bit of my Maybelline Master Conceal in Fair. And then I'll set the entire face with my Airspun Loose Face Powder in Naturally Neutral. So for my contour and bronzer, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And the shade that I'm going to be using is the lightest dark shade. Then I'm going to be using my NARS blush in the color Desire. And lastly, I'll use my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And I know I don't have to, but I'm also going to contour my nose just so it could look a little bit thinner. So what I do is just go on the sides of the nose, and then I'll slowly start to blend it down. So once I have this all lined out, then I will use my beauty blender to blend it out. So then once I have these shadows on my nose all blended out, as you can see, then what I like to do is just take my Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in the color Creme Brulee and just put it on the areas that I want to be highlighted. And that is how I like to contour my nose. And lastly, I'm going to use my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And then I'm just going to take the highlighter and put it in my inner corner. As you can see, it's so blinding. And then we are almost done. Now we just have to do the lower lashes and the lips. So for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take a black eyeshadow and line my bottom lashes. So now I'm going to apply some mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and then we'll move on to the lips. So I'm going to be using my Revlon Color Stay Longwear Lip Liner in the color Wine and mix it with my Maybelline lipstick in the color Fuchsia for Me. Alright, so this is the completed makeup look, but now we are going to do my hair. Alright everybody, so I just straightened my hair. I was going to curl it in the beginning, but I just decided not to, but it is completely straight. and I absolutely love it. It's just a little fluffy right now, so I probably have to put some more spray in it to tame it down a little bit. So now I'm going to show you guys the close-ups. So if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe by pressing that link in the top right of the video. And I'll see you lovers in the next video. Bye!